Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to warp an image in Photoshop. Let's begin. Go to File, Open, and open any image. Okay, then select the image. Press Ctrl T. Hold Ctrl. Select any corner or press again Ctrl T. Right click. Right click the layer. See this warp and warp image easily. Click and drag. Again press Ctrl T, click this icon and select this mode. Again press Ctrl T, hold shift, resize and again use this icon and see this different arcs, airs, lower, upper. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.